VW wouldn't help locate a car with an abducted child because GPS subscription. Oh, my good Lord. GPS subscription expired? That's a heavy headline, Will.
Yeah.
You got the kid in the car? VW says its CarNet service shouldn't have demanded a $150 payment from the detective. Well, VW is going to backtrack now. They can be like, that was a malfunction. There's no way you talk to a human. You're like, the kid is in the car. Activate the thing. And they're like, you missed your bill. It's going to take a while.
Oh.
You're on suspension. Terrifying stuff. A sheriff's office in Illinois said it was initially thwarted from tracking a stolen car with a 2-year-old boy inside when a Volkswagen's CarNet service refused to provide access to the tracking system because the car subscription had expired. While searching for the stolen vehicle and endangered child, sheriff's detectives immediately called Volkswagen CarNet in an attempt to track the vehicle. The Lake County Sheriff's Office said in a statement posted on Facebook about the incident on February 23. Unfortunately, there was a delay as Volkswagen CarNet would not track the vehicle with the abducted child until they received a payment to reactivate the tracking device in the stolen Volkswagen. That's a ransom on top of a ransom. Well, you can't double ransom. That's like me stalking a stalker over here. Double ransom.
Double ransom.
They're like, we're gonna need one. You're like, my 2-year-old's in the car. They're like, yeah, we're gonna need that 150.
Yeah. Shakedown.
Come watch her keynote.
I don't have time. My kid's kidnapped.
Volkswagen CarNet lets owners track and control their vehicles remotely, according to the Chicago Sun-Times article. The CarNet trial period had ended, and a representative wanted $150 to restart the service. That is so tone deaf. You're on the phone. You're like, dude, I'm the sheriff's department. There's a 2-year-old in the car. Activate it now and let me look.
$150, please.
Well, let me see what I can do for you. Let me see what promotions I have.
Yeah.
Well, if you sign up today, 6 months at 12% off, the sheriff is like, no! God! Oh. By the time officers say they paid the $150 and got the location of the vehicle, it had already been located by other means. 30 minutes had passed. They located the 2-year-old, located the vehicle, and they still didn't have the information. It was worthless. Thank God they got the child in this story. Well, don't hit me with these type of things, man. Thank God they got the child over here, and they got the vehicle back. And whoever that was on the phone is like you need some new training over there. Because this is a bad look for VW. And I know it's hard because probably these people are answering the phone all day. Maybe even people make up crazy stories and they say, sure, I can't pay you the $150 for this reason or that. But this is that certain. If it's the sheriff, just enable that baby. You got to hit the override. Go to your superior. Talk to your manager, whoever, enable that baby. Get that override going.